Gwapo kayang pagkarap. Dili ko gusto nga mabungkag siya kay gwapo kayang pagkarap. So, hello! Hi everybody! You sit here. Dito na butang sa nang toy dihan. We are back again sa ato ang unboxing of gifts. Ayan. So, may pa part 2 tayo ng unboxing of gifts kasi we would like to express our gratitude sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng regalo nila this Christmas season. So, thank you so much for being so thoughtful and for keeping me in mind. This time, kasama ko si Yana kasi yung bubuksan natin na gift is for her. So, this is, oh, nilupad. This is from Ninang Cherry. Thank you so much, Ninang Cherry. Say thank you, Ninang Cherry.
Thank you, Ninang Cherry.
This is for you. Sige, you open.
Alright.
A cherry ion emits 20 million negative ions. Safe from airborne bacteria and viruses. Safe air within a 3 feet radius vicinity. Destroys pollutants that may cause asthma and allergy. Eliminates smoke and dust for safe, comfortable breathing. Limited edition, di ay na siya. Oh, so, smaller version. This is a smaller version na personal air purifier. Ayan, naka-on na. Naka-green na. It's on green na. So, that means it's already working. So, kwintas dayo na siya. Like that. Look at that. Say thank you, Ninang.
Thank you, Ninang.
Okay. Especially this time, pandemic na atay pandemic. So, this is one of the perfect gifts. So, thank you, kaayo siya. Magamit yun ni Yana. From Malagos Chocolate. Yan na. So, let's check the box. What's inside the box? We have here this one. Murag dili pa ko gusto abrihan sila ba. But this one. And the premium. The premium unsweetened na chocolate nila. Perfect for drinking and baking mga chocolate recipes. And this one also. This is definitely so good. The Malagos Chocolate Dried Mangoes. Lami kaayo na siya. And last but not the least, itong roasted cocoa nibs sea salt. Dark chocolate coated. Oh my God! Thank you so much. I think parehas lang ni sila, diba? Hindi ko sure, but salamat kaayo. This gift is from Mommy Dars. Sweet kay si Mommy Dars. Kitagaan dyan ko niya og regalo, oy. Mommy Dars is one of the moderators na gitap na ako para mag-moderate sa ato ang year-end party this year. Hala, bongga! So, this is it. Uy, duha pa dyan di ay. There's a gift inside the gift. Wait lang. This is it. Ay, this one is for Yana. And this one daw, gagikan kay Kuya Darren and kay Dwayne. Kasweet ba ni Mommy Dars? Ana na, oh, first words. Hala, ka-cute. Ganahan kasi Yana, ani. Hala, nice lagi. Actually with clean pen. Hala. This one also is the Twinkie Fairy sticker and activity fun. Pagkani wala siya na diri kay makuan na pud niya nila. And na ang mga kitchen, a collection of Filipino recipes. Wow. And dun sa ning isa. Sa kaglindot sa packaging ni Mommy Dars, dili ko gusto abrihan. Ayan, but let me show you. Doodle patterns. Ay, pang mama gid ni ka ng pampawala sa stress. Hala, uy, perfect kay si Mommy Dars ba? And kini kang Yana. So, kung saan man, tawagon na nato si Yana or na natin na i-fabric. Sige, pa-unbox na nato ni Kayana. Yana,
I'm here.
another gift for you.
Yes.
This is for you. Say thank you, Kuya Dwayne and Darren.
Thank you to Kuya Grain and Doreen. It's Minnie Mouse.
Yes, it's Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse with a bunny.
Good bunny.
Oh.
Oh, thank you, Mommy Dors. Tagan kayo. Salamat,
Is this
Mommy Dors. Yes, book. You want to read the story?
Yes.
Okay. And here's our last gift to open. Actually, open na siya, but I can see it. This is from Natural. Thank you so much, Alisa, for being so thoughtful. Natural. Ito yung calamansi flavor. Dalawa. Duha ka Natural, diba? Daghan ka ay lami kay ni Frozen. Actually, pag abot niya dinhi, pag abot ani diri sa balay, pag deliver, ako din ibutang sa ref. And the Allegro ice cream. Ube yema flavor. Oh! Lami ani. Oy, salamat kaayo, Alisa. Thank you so much, Alisa. Hello, we have here 2 gifts from the Asian, nahulog akong phone. The Asian Home Appliance and may big note sila. Actually, sabi nila dito, with over 20 branches in 5 cities in Visayas and Mindanao, it is our goal at Asian Home Appliance to provide you with quality appliances and electronics at affordable prices. Wow, we hope this simple gift would help make work at home easier in these trying times. Thank you, Asian Home Appliance. So, if you are from Davao City, Asian Appliance is located in Abriza Mall. Gwapo kayang pagkarap. Dili ko gusto nga mabungkag siya kay gwapo kayang pagkarap. So, thank you di ay kay Ma'am Charmaine and kay Sir Judy. Sila ang nakastuyan ako gahapon. And also, thank you for Van for reaching out. Si Van, nag-message siya sa kuha. Nga naado, uy! Naday padala ang Asian Appliance. So, this is it, guys. Nakita na nako ang brand. It's Philips. Check na to kung unsa ni. Juicer! Philips Juicer! Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait lang. Open this one. Here you go. It's actually a juicer. Wow.
Open this one.
Wait lang, no, na.
Open this one.
Pinag-video ko, be.
Open this one.
Ang juicer. So, itry na to ni o gamit. Pakita na. This is the blender. Tara, oh, tara, be, oh.
Blender.
This is 1,000 milligram. This is 1,000 milliliters. Ano nga, magamit din sa Pasko. And sa New Year. Ayan.
This is some pay.
Ay, don't go near. Dali na, dali na, dali.
Serious?
Ang bebe. Once again, thank you so much. Ibalik na ako sa box lang sa akin para pag gamito na yun, diyan na to i-gawas balik. Okay, para dili siya masira.
Thank you.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Mama.